to Quizler.
How much do you know about animals? Animal knowledge quiz.
Comment your decisions down below.
Let's go!
What is the fastest land animal? It's the cheetah. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? It's the lion. What is the largest species of shark? It's the whale shark. How many legs does a spider have? It has 8. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? It's the bat. Which animal is known for having a pouch to carry its young? Of course, it's the kangaroo. Which bird is famous for its colorful tail feathers? It's the peacock. What is the largest land animal? It's the African elephant. Which bird is often associated with delivering babies? It's the stork. Which animal is known for its stripes? It's the zebra. Which animal is the largest land carnivore? It's the polar bear. What is the smallest bird in the world? It's the hummingbird. Which animal sleeps standing up? It's the horse. Which ocean animal is known for its intelligence? It's the dolphin. What do you call a group of lions? It's a pride. Which animal can change its color to blend with its surroundings? It's the chameleon. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? It's the lizard. Which mammal is known to lay eggs? It's the platypus. What is the largest species of bear? It's the Kodiak bear. Which bird can mimic human speech? It's the parrot. What is a baby kangaroo called? It's the joey. Which sea creature has 8 legs? It's the octopus. What do you call a group of fish? School. Which animal is known for its humps? It's the camel. What type of animal is a cobra? It's the snake. Which animal is famous for building dams? Of course, the beaver. Which animal has the longest lifespan? The giant tortoise. Which animal is known to have a memory that lasts for years? The elephant. Which animal produces the loudest sound? It's the blue whale. Which insect can lift objects 50 times its own weight? The ant. Which animal has a blue tongue? It's the blue-tongued skink. Which animal spends most of its life hanging upside down? It's the sloth. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? It's the camel. Which animal is known to laugh? It's the hyena. Which animal is known to regrow lost body parts? It's the starfish. Which bird is known for flying long distances during migration? It's the albatross. Which animal can rotate its head almost 270 degrees? It's the owl. What do you call a group of wolves? It's a pack. Which sea animal has a shell and moves slowly? It's the turtle. Which animal has the nickname man's best friend? It's the dog. Which reptile is known for its powerful jaws? It's the alligator. Which animal is often used as a symbol of peace? It's the dove. What type of animal is a koala? The koala is a marsupial. Which animal is known to carry its house on its back? The snail. Which animal has the longest wingspan of any bird? It's the albatross. What is the largest species of penguin? It's the emperor penguin. Which animal is famous for its ability to survive in the desert without water for long periods? It's the camel. Which insect is known for its elaborate social structures and colonies? It's the ant. Which animal is known to have the highest blood pressure? It's the giraffe. Which animal communicates through echolocation? It's the bat.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.